Look at this beast. I saw this pig sitting at the thrift store. Generally, you don't want to pay any money for a microwave transformer, but when I saw this 1800 watt beauty chilling on the shelf, I couldn't pass it up, and I spent the $15 at Savers to get one. This thing is a monster. I can't wait to see what's inside. I'll pause it and we'll start taking it apart. Alright, got the door off. Nice little exhaust fan motor there. That's what we're after, though. This monster. $1,800 watts. Oh, and this thing is just full of goodies. I'm gonna be working on pulling the magnetron out next. But I mean, this thing is full of switches and relays and fan motors. I mean, you name it. There's gonna be a whole box full of good stuff in here. I'll keep stripping her down and show you in a minute. Alright, so microwave's all cleaned up and put away. What I managed to salvage out of here, get this into the light. Nothing really of value. Capacitor, little cooling motor. Might use that to cool a transformer off at some point. Another fan motor down here. This one was actually pretty cool design. There's our humidity sensor. I took the circuit board because, I don't know, just because. A couple little motors. Let's see. The 6 RPM one is for the little tray, and then the, come on, focus. 34.9 RPM is for the, I don't know, fan or whatever was on top. Couple 120 volt light sockets, which, by the way, I found really funny because these assholes glued. You see that? They glued the fucking light bulbs into the sockets. Who the fuck does that? You know? Took the magnetron apart, and this fucking happened. Cheap fucking magnets. I still managed to salvage one. Stick that down there. Stick that there. But this is what we're all here for. I mark the positive and negative just because I don't fuck if we gotta do that or not. Let's plug it in really quick and give her a listen. See what she sounds like with no load or anything, just humming, because that's a good sound. Oh, listen to that. Let's see if we can get it. That's a good hum. I have not decided whether I'm gonna do high voltage, like arcing, playing around with that, or if I'm going to cut out that winding and just go with some low voltage, ridiculous amps. That we'll have to wait and see. But I'll be uploading a video of whatever I've decided to do. I'm definitely going to research some more before I fucking play around with all this voltage, because I am relatively new into electronics. I mean, of house wiring and all that good stuff, but as far as transformers, anything over 120 volts is kind of foreign to me, and I want to make sure everything is nice and safe. I salvaged the fuse. This is a 20 amp. I'll probably get some 15s and then I will put that in between the hot side to make sure, and I'll build a nice little setup to where I can mount everything down to some particle board, and I think we're gonna have some fun. Sorry for it being like cutscenes and stuff like that, but yeah, I'll be seeing you soon and we'll fry some stuff.